private wooded acreage with majestic mountain views. Every season offers a different experience for your custom home. Mix of open pasture and forest with running stream on site. Seller will install community pond. Elevations of 1,100-1,200 ensure Smoky Mountain views. Seller will consider owner financing. Additional information: property is zoned A2 rural residential. Loudon County setbacks are as follows: front 40 feet, side 20 feet, 1-story residence, side 25 feet, 2-story residence, rear 30 feet. Always consult Loudon County building authorities prior to construction. Setbacks are subject to change. Each lot is subject to drainage and utility easements as follows: 5 feet wide along interior lot lines, 10 feet wide along exterior lot lines, and cont. Road right-of-way lines, utilities at Dunsmore Rd, electric and water at Dunsmore Rd, gas propane. Restrictions include: no manufactured homes, no tiny